Welcome to Survser, your dedicated tool to unlock growth with real-time customer feedback. We're so excited for you to explore Survser. To help you get comfortable with the platform and its features, we've created this intro video. It will guide you through the essential steps to get started, ensuring you can easily navigate Survser and make the most out of your account. Let's get started. After creating your account and installing Survser onto your website, you can then start creating your first survey. Creating a survey on Survser is extremely easy. You can either choose a pre-made template according to your specific category, whether product management, customer success, marketing, sales, or e-commerce, or you can also create your own custom survey. For this video, let's choose from the pre-made template, the NPS survey. After choosing the type of survey you want, you can then edit the survey. In the edit page, you will find the question format, which is set to NPS scale from 0 to 10, the question title, which you can edit, and the subtext if you wish to add any. Below, you'll find the text that will be put at both ends of the scale. Let's leave it as it is for now. And finally, on the left side, you will find the steps associated with your survey. The first one being, how likely are you to recommend Survser? And the second one, can you tell us more? Once this is done, you can then create the rules for the trigger to show your survey to your users as well as other configurations. You have three choices. You can either choose a page visit, a click element, or a manual trigger using JavaScript for more advanced triggering. On the left, you'll find other tabs that allow you to further configure the triggering of your surveys. You have display timing, where you can decide whether to show the survey immediately or delay display. You have survey recurrence, where you can decide how many times a survey is shown to your users. And finally, you have audience, where you can decide whether to show your survey to all users, authenticated users, or just non-authenticated users, and to what percentage of your audience you want to display the survey. After configuring the rules, you can also configure the appearance of your survey, including the color, the placement, the overall look, and the branding. For more extensive branding options, you can also head to your settings page where you can customize the brand color and the logo that you want to display in your surveys. Now that's done, let's create our first example survey. We'll use a page visit trigger event. In this case, we want the survey to show when users go on the pricing page. We'll set the recurrence to always show and click on Publish Survey. Now to check if our survey is working correctly, let's head over to the URL on which we want to trigger the survey. And there it is. Now that you've created your first survey and started collecting your first responses, let's turn our attention to your dashboard. Here in the dashboard, you will find a quick summary of your surveys, the latest responses to your surveys, and some resources. Once you've started collecting responses, you can analyze them by clicking on the survey. Here you can find your overall statistics for your survey, including the response rate and the completion rate, as well as the replies and the configuration you've set when creating the survey. The charts in the right-hand corner will give you a visual breakdown of your survey's performance. In the Responses tab, you can find the entirety of your survey responses. And in the Actions tab, you can choose to export responses in CSV to share with your colleagues or to feed into other analytics tools for deeper insights and reporting. Now you're all set to start using Survser. You've learned how to create surveys, trigger them, customize their appearance, and analyze responses. Remember, Survser is all about helping you unlock growth with real-time customer feedback. So get started, explore, and start optimizing your customer experience today.